Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss about the angle of segment and angle inscribed at the center by it. So there is a point P. AXB includes the angle here. This is the angle P, and angle at the center is AOB. The relation is angle AOB is equal to angle P. It's okay. So this is the relation. And if other angles are here, in that case, this is the angle C. So angle ACB is equal to angle APB. Angle ACB is equal to angle APB. Right? This is the relation. So there is a angle AOB is equal to twice angle P. And in this way we can say angle AOB is equal to twice angle ACB. This is the region of angle of same segment. Angle of same segment. Angle of same segments are equal. Now come to angle in the case of cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Any quadrilateral inscribed in the circle, that is called cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C and D. The angle A plus angle C, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree in the case of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. It is right. This is the relation. Now we have, there is a if any angle, if angle A is equal to if angle A is equal to angle C, then angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That implies 2 angle A is equal to 180 degree, and angle A is equal to 180 upon 2, it gives 90 degree. Okay. So therefore, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay. And if angle D is equal to angle B, in the same way.